Okay, so today we're going to try this burger place. It's just a little takeout place. I think it looks like the name is called Tasty. Um, it's on Rua de Ivora. So that's basically the menu. You got burgers, french fries, cokes, just kind of like a little tiny burger shop. And that's me, and I'm going to bring it home. So I'm going to come back and I'll show you the street that it's on. And we'll bring it home and open it up and take a look and see how this burger and fries look like.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Rua de Ivora is the name of the street. It's in Taipa. So you can see these big wide boulevards, and this particular night it's at around midnight. It's late at night, and there's all the shops close about 11 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Most of them close at 10, and then some of the later ones 11. Just very little is open after 11, especially at 12. So this particular night, I'm just going to look around a little bit. So I'm walking down Rua de Ivora, which is in the Taipa central area. 7-Elevens are, of course, 24/7. Those are always open. So, and then down at the end of the street, so I'm just kind of giving you an idea. You know, a lot of things are closed. These are... Taipa is kind of a big central area, and Macau has a lot of density. And there are stuff that's... You can always find places to buy things late at night. And there are restaurants that are 24/7 too. But not as many choices as there is before 10 o'clock. And now we have our food. So let's see what's in it. We got some french fries, Coca-Cola. It's called Tasty. Big bottle of ketchup, a big plastic container of ketchup. French fries are kind of crinkly, as you'll see. Oh, not crinkly. They're they're kind of they're not bad. Kind of normal. I think it's a little bit hard when they package them because French fries aren't they don't last that long, but they're still good. Here's the burger. Tasty burger, it's called. On Rua de Ivora in Taipa. So I think when I first open it up, I'm opening up with one hand because I have the camera. And actually the bread, I was kind of surprised. I thought it was going to be a hamburger bun. Instead it was like not quite like it. And then when I opened it up, actually the meat was actually way better than I thought. The meat was amazing. It's like really soft and tasty. But the bun is not so tasty. You know, it's kind of a soft, it's like that kind of bun is not really designed for a restaurant. You know, it's more something that you'd make in your home, and you'd probably just put some basic sandwich meat, like, you know, slice of turkey or ham or something in it. You wouldn't make it into a burger. So I was a little bit surprised by that, but the meat was really good. So it's like, oh man, if I had like a different hamburger bun, it could be really amazing. But still, I'm glad I got it because I usually don't eat burgers hardly at all. And every once in a while, I do like to try and just kind of see what it is, especially when it's after midnight and I don't know what else to get. So there it is. Hope you enjoyed this little view of this food right here tonight.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. All right.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.